Super easy 2-mile run today just to get the legs moving. I'm gonna throw the map up here, splits up here, and my hamstrings and lower back are definitely feeling it from yesterday's deadlifts. I'm gonna take it a little bit easy for the rest of the day. I might go out and walk another mile or two, but that's it for the exercise. Not much today. I'm going to save my legs for tomorrow's long run. I'm going to be aiming for at least 18 miles, 18 to 20, depending on how I'm feeling. And on the recommendation of a few people in the comments, I wore my Nike Peg 37s again today, and I laced up the extra eyelets in the shoes, and it definitely helped with the heel slippage. So they felt pretty good today. The heel slippage was the big thing when I wore it on my first run yesterday, but overall today felt good, so I'm excited to keep going in these shoes and to put some more mileage and see how they feel after 50 and 100 miles. And if you didn't know, I am a big UFC/MMA fan. I wouldn't say that I'm a super hardcore fan, but I am definitely more than a casual fan. I feel like I'm in the middle. I don't know every single person on every single card, but on a majority of the cards, I'll know like 80 to 90% of the fighters fighting. And today is actually UFC 250. I'm gonna put my picks up here. You might agree, you might not. Who do you have? Let me know down in the comments below. Right now, it's a little past 3, so I'm gonna go in, shower, and then watch the first few fights. I'm super excited, and today is just one of those chill days where I relax, and I mainly relax on Saturdays, especially if there is a UFC fight. I like to plop down, I like to watch the prelims and early prelims, and when I'm watching the fights, I usually just have my laptop in front of me and I get a little bit of work done as well. So I'm not go all the time. I do relax from time to time, especially on UFC fights. And look, I have a package that came in for me. I am super excited about this package. Let me show you all what I got. It is, not sure if you can tell. Oh, it's in a bag actually. It is a jiu-jitsu gi. And I actually won this on a raffle. And Christian Woodmansey from Logic Jiu-Jitsu, he had a raffle and he's come over to the Bay Area before, and he's good friends with my coach at my jiu-jitsu gym. And I've taken a couple privates with him, and he was doing this raffle. It was 3 tickets for 15 bucks. So I ended up getting 30 bucks worth of tickets. So 6 tickets for this raffle. And the raffle was for an albino and Preto AP gi. So this gi is super nice. This is definitely the nicest gi that I now own. Look at that, that's sick. So AP did a collab with Christian, and I believe this is called the Dream Killer gi. So this is definitely the nicest gi that I now own. And these gis can get up to like $200 plus, $300 even. Most of the gis that I have are like 80 bucks because I am frugal and I am cheap, and I wait till they are on super sale before I get them. But though, like A&P never really has a lot of like sales because they are like a pretty high-end brand as far as gis. So I'm super excited to wear this. And I am an A1F, if y'all were wondering, if you know anything about gi sizes. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Feels nice. So, yeah, I'm excited. Another gi to add to my collection. And really, when I bought the raffle tickets, I wasn't even thinking about like winning the gi, to be honest with you. And that just goes to show that, you know, the world works in mysterious ways, because I really don't win much of anything. I think one time I won a $25 gift card to Subway on one of those like San Diego State like those nights, with those Aztec nights or whatever that they had, or it was like the study session nights where you would go and then they'd give you a bunch of prizes. I won like 25 bucks there once. Though, like when I bought the raffle tickets, I was more mainly just buying the tickets to support Christian and all that he does, because I've taken a couple privates with him, and he's just a super cool dude and super knowledgeable about jiu-jitsu, and I love his philosophy on how he teaches his students, and just his overall, like, just jiu-jitsu philosophy, and he just seems like a really good human being. So if you're in Philadelphia and looking for a place to train, I highly recommend Logic Philly. Christian Woodmansey, he's a super chill guy, super good guy, and he is a beast. And he's just really cool to learn from. And I was actually planning on going to Philly, though, you know, this whole COVID thing happened. And I was planning to go on Philly for two things. The first thing is to run a marathon, because one of my goals is to run one marathon in every single state before I die. So I still have, obviously, a lot of years left, though. The goal was to go to Philly this year, run the marathon, and then train for a few days over at Logic. So obviously I didn't get to do that, though I'm super excited that I get to reschedule sometime in the future, and then I'll be able to hang out and train at Logic and take a couple privates with Christian, and then also I'll be able to run a marathon there. So thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed that video. Today was a little bit shorter of a video, and really it was just me rambling. So I appreciate you all listening to me ramble if you made it this far into this video. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Please do so. It would really help me out. If you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video here. There's a video here. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. See you all tomorrow.